Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the some important topic in the chapter money and credit, that is term of credit. So what is term of credit? Term of credit are requirement need to be certified for any credit arrangement. It include interest rate, correlated documentation, mode of repayment, and however the term of credit vary depending upon the nature of lender, borrower and the loan. मीन्स अगर हम टर्म ऑफ क्रेडिट को डिस्कस करें तो एवरी लोन एग्रीमेंट स्पीक द इंटरेस्ट रेट विच ब्रोवर मस्ट पे टू द लैंडर। मतलब हर लोन में एक एग्रीमेंट होता है, स्पिक अमाउंट होता है, स्पिक रेट होता है कि जो ब्रोवर मस्ट हैव टू पे टू द लैंडर, लैंडर को पे करना होता है अलॉन्ग विद द रिपेमेंट ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट के साथ। इन एडिशन लैंडर में डिमांड फॉर द कोरिलेटर अगेंस्ट द लोन। In some cases, the lender may ask for the demand correlator. So, what is correlator? Correlator is an asset that the borrower owns, like land, building, vehicles. Use this as a guarantee to the lender until the loan is repaid. मतलब जब तक ये लोन रिपेड नहीं हो जाता ये ऐसा गारंटी की तरह एसेट यूज़ होता है एज अ कोरिलेटर। और आफ्टर द रीपेमेंट ऑफ द लोन द क्या कहते हैं लैंडर गिव दैट एसेट टू द ब्रोवर। इफ द ब्रोवर फेल टू रीपे द लोन, अगर इन सम केसेस ब्रोवर फेल टू रीपे द लोन तो लैंडर हैज़ द राइट टू सेल all the assets. Lender had sold all the assets and collateral obtain payment or property such as land title, deposit with bank, livestock of some common example. ठीक है, collateral used for borrowing. So the term of credit include interest rate, collateral, documentation requirement, and the mode of repayment together compress what is called term of credit. These are called term of credit. The term of credit already हम पहले डिस्कस के vary substantially from the one credit arrangement to the another and they may vary depending on the nature of the lender and the borrower के nature पे depend करता है। Okay. Now the variety of credit arrangement. Take the example of the village like landers laborers story of the Rama. In the here the high interest rate, others term of conditions that depend upon the employer. So Rama is working in a neighbor field. She work as agricultural labor. There are several months in the year where Rama has no work, need credit to meet the daily expenses. Expenses on the sudden illness or function in the family are also met through the loan. So Rama has to depend on her employer, medium landowner, for credit. So landowner always charge the high rate of interest per month and Rama pay the money by working for the landowner, and most of the time Rama has to take the fresh loan before previous loan has been repaid. मतलब most time the Rama अपना fresh loan लेना पड़ता before payment of the previous loan, and landowner does not treat her well and she continue to work from him since she cannot get loan from him with his need. So Rama tells us the only source of credit in the that village Sonpur is the informal sector only. Okay, thank you, beta.